this video, we'll look at opening and saving myViewBoard files. Let's begin with the Windows Desktop myViewBoard application. First thing we'll need to do is sign in. Once we are signed in, at the bottom of the screen you'll see that there is a folder icon. This is where you can do things such as opening and saving and exporting your file. So let's click on export because we want this to work with multiple versions of myViewBoard. So I'm going to do the export icon at the top, and then I'm going to click on either my Google Drive or my OneDrive, and I will save it in my cloud storage. So here I'm going into my Google Drive, opening up my myViewBoard folder, and down here at the bottom is where you can give it a name, and it'll just add it to the bottom list. But what's more important, you want to be sure that you hit this drop down and choose IWB. This is for an interactive whiteboard file. So I want to be sure and select IWB, and then I'm going to save it and give it a name right here. So we'll call this a sample file. Click the checkbox and it will save the file. To open these files, what we will do is click on, instead of the folder, we're actually going to click on the magic box down here because we're going to import it. So again, we'll go right back to where we saved it. So I saved it in my Google Drive, so I'm going to open it up, go to my myViewBoard folder. You can see other files that we could import too if we wanted to. And right here is a sample file, the one we just saved. So again, the reason we do this is so it'll work across multiple versions. So let's switch over to the Android version that is built into the panel. So on your flat panel, you'll want to click the Home button down the bottom right hand corner, and then click on the myViewBoard icon to launch the program. Of course, once it opens up, you'll want to scan that QR code with the myViewBoard companion app on your phone to sign in so that you can connect to your Google Drive and your OneDrive. In the Android version of the software, it can already read IWB files that we just exported on Windows, so we can just open them up natively here. To open them up, at the bottom of the screen, you'll click on the File folder, and then again click the File folder in this window. We do not need to save, so the File folder represents Open. We'll click on our Google Drive and we'll navigate into my myViewBoard folder to where I saved the file just moments ago. So we'll scroll down and there it is, and I can simply click on the file and open it. So when opening and saving files on, and here we are, I'm clicking over to save now, it by defaults to the IWB files in the Android version. And so in the Windows, you can do importing and exporting to open these. And then on the Android version of the application, you use the saving and opening.